Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT for content creation. If you want to improve your content creation skills, well, you can use ChatGPT to improve it. So stay tuned because this video is for you. Okay, so now we are in ChatGPT's homepage, and one of the first three, two, three, two, one. One of the ways you can use ChatGPT to create content is to create good SEO efficient YouTube titles. So, for example, act as a YouTube script writer and create 10 titles for a YouTube video about diamonds in Minecraft, right? And as you can see, it is going to give you 10 options about your video on Minecraft about diamonds. And let's choose one. Another way you can use ChatGPT to create content is to act as a script writer and create a script for a YouTube video. So act as a script writer and create a 5-minute create a script for a 5-minute YouTube video titled, and there you go. It's gonna start creating a script. So as you can see, fade in, player. So like it's gonna make the script for you, as you can see. Our last way of how there are so many ways, but in this video, the last way you can use ChatGPT to create content is pretty much ask it like, what's the best thumbnails you can use? So like, give me ideas for a thumbnail for a Minecraft video about diamonds. And as you can see, it's gonna populate this prompt. Here are some thumbnail ideas for your Minecraft video about diamonds. A close-up of a player, whole character holding a diamond in their hand with a sparkly background. Like the world, ChatGPT is your oyster when it comes to creating content. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.